If you've got seized nuts, bolts and other fastenings, you can free them all with this induction heat tool. It produces a concentrated, flameless heat source that's generated by high-power induction magnetic fields in ferrous materials. The flameless heating process means it's safer, easier to control, and works a lot faster than conventional gas torches. And, unlike gas torches, the heat is confined to the fixing instead of spreading to other areas around it. This minimises the risk of damaging seals, gaskets, and other surrounding materials. However, it's important to keep a fire extinguisher to hand when using an induction heater. Better to be safe than sorry. Because it's portable and lightweight, it's really easy to use in any position, so you can use it on components attached or removed from vehicles. Another bonus is you won't be wasting money buying or hiring expensive, difficult to store oxygen or acetylene bottles. So why struggle with a gas torch? Take the easier option. Use a Draper induction heat tool.